At first glance, some relationships seem perfect, full of joy, shared dreams, and plans for the future. But over time, you might start to notice things that don't sit right. Maybe your partner avoids tough conversations, lashes out when they're frustrated, or ignores you when you're feeling down. If that sounds familiar, it might be time to ask yourself, do I feel emotionally safe in this relationship? Emotional safety is about more than just getting along. It's the security you feel when you can be yourself, express your emotions freely, and know that you'll be met with understanding, not judgment. Curious if your relationship has this foundation? Let's explore some signs that you're with someone who creates emotional safety. Number one, consistency. When emotional safety is lacking, it can feel like you're walking on eggshells, always second guessing how your partner might react. But with a safe partner, there's no guessing game. They're reliable. They follow through on their promises, show up when it matters, and make the relationship a priority. Imagine planning a special evening and they not only arrive, but they're fully present and engaged. You don't have to worry about their mood shifting unexpectedly or wondering where you stand. Their consistency creates a sense of calm and trust. Number two, responsibility. Mistakes happen in every relationship, but what sets emotionally safe partners apart is their ability to own up to them. If they hurt your feelings, intentionally or not, they take responsibility and work to make things right. For instance, they might say, I'm really sorry for what I said earlier. I didn't mean to hurt you, and I want to do better. A secure relationship can't thrive without accountability. A safe partner values honesty, respects you, and is willing to grow alongside you. Number three, vulnerability and conflict resolution. No relationship is without disagreements, but it's how those moments are handled that matters. A safe partner approaches conflict with empathy and a desire to understand, not to win. They're willing to express their emotions authentically, saying things like, I feel hurt when we argue like this. Can we work together to communicate better? This openness fosters deeper connection and trust. It's not about avoiding conflict, it's about navigating it with respect and care. Number four, they listen without judgment. A safe partner listens, not just to respond, but to understand. If you express a concern, they don't dismiss or criticize your feelings. Instead, they might say, I can see why you're feeling that way. Let's figure out how we can make things better. Being emotionally safe means feeling heard and validated, not ignored or minimized. Their willingness to listen creates a space where you feel comfortable sharing your true self. Number five, they're truly supportive. A supportive partner is accessible, responsive, and engaged. When you need them, whether it's a quick check-in during a stressful moment or a shoulder to lean on, they make the effort to be there for you. You don't have to wonder where you stand with them because they're clear about their commitment. They're not playing games or sending mixed signals. They're steady and present, both physically and emotionally. Number six, respect and boundaries. An emotionally safe partner honors your needs and respects your individuality. If you need space after a long day, they don't pressure you. They understand that boundaries aren't walls, they're guidelines that protect and nurture your connection. This respect creates a foundation of safety and shows that they value you as a whole person, not just as their partner. Empathy. Emotional safety means feeling understood and cared for. A safe partner shows genuine compassion for your struggles and celebrates your successes. When you're upset about something, they might say, that sounds tough. How can I support you? It's not about fixing every problem. It's about standing beside you as you face them. While it's important to recognize these signs in others, it's equally vital to ask yourself, am I creating emotional safety for my partner too? Healthy relationships are built on mutual trust, respect, and empathy. Emotional safety is a two-way street where both people are invested in creating a safe and supportive environment. The connection deepens and thrives. Which of these signs feels most important to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, you deserve relationships that make you feel seen, valued, and safe. Trust your instincts, prioritize your emotional well-being, and choose connections that bring out the best in you. My name is Monique Rhodes, and I'm a happiness strategist. Follow for more.